Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Power 2022 for Straight Talk. So the new Moto G Power 2022 is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $99.99. It's available in black. The model number is XT2165DL. So this is the 2022 Moto G Power here. Straight Talk now finally has it, so that's very nice. So let's go ahead and check out the Moto G Power here. So that's what the phone looks like here. That's what the phone looks like there. So you guys have your hole punch there for your front facing camera. Earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Keep in mind that the camera does stick out just a tiny bit there on the back, so be mindful of that. And then on the back of the Moto G Power 2022, you guys have your triple camera system along with your camera flash, your fingerprint sensor, and the iconic Motorola logo, and your track phone Straight Talk logo there in your speaker right here on back. And it's a plastic back, obviously, because I got a glossy bag to it, so it's plastic. So do keep that in mind. It says up to 3 days, battery, endless possibilities. Leave the charger at home. With a massive 5,000 mAh battery, you can go up to 3 days on a single charge. So that's the phone up close. That's the phone front, left side, and back. Specs on the phone. So this is a budget phone, guys. So to keep it in mind, it has a 13 mega. Wait a minute. Let me go back. Yeah, it's 3 cameras on back. I don't know why it's saying 13 and 2 megapixels on the back. I think it's 13 megapixels and 2 megapixel cameras on the back. One is a depth sensor, one is a macro lens on the back, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 14.4 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.0, 5,000 mAh battery, MediaTek Helio G25 2 GHz octa-core processor, digital hearing aids there, talk time 14.4 hours, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage with micro SD card expansion, and the Moto G Power 2022 version weighs 6.6 ounces. What comes in the box is your Moto G Power 2022 prepaid smartphone, charger, the battery which is embedded in the phone. That's pretty much standard nowadays. You do get an activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. More features, more ways to tell your story. 50 megapixel camera. Alright. Yeah, they got that all wrong. It's like a 50 megapixel camera on the back, and I think it's two megapixels on the back as well. In the front camera, I think it's 13 megapixels or something like that. They do got the specs all wrong here. You get a 50 megapixel camera system, dual capture, take professional looking portraits and close-up photos, refresh your perspective, expand your view. With the 90Hz refresh rate, it's smooth and seamless with far less lag. It is 6.5-inch max space and HD+. Display gives you maximum viewing thanks to a 20:9 aspect ratio. Hold everything with 64 GB of built-in. With 64 GB built-in, you have tons of room for photos, movies, songs, apps, and games, and you can always add up to 5 GB more using a micro SD card. Up to 3 days of battery life. Leave the charger at home with a massive 5,000 mAh battery. You can go up to 3 days on a single charge. So yeah, it's a 50 megapixel camera on the back. I don't know why they got 13. That might be for the Moto the Moto G. Is it a 2022 Moto G Play? Maybe there is. But the camera specs are wrong. It's 50 megapixels, and I think it's a 2 megapixel cameras on the back. So they do need to fix that. So Yeah, so there it is, guys. The new Moto G Power 2022 is now available at Straight Talk for $99.99. Straight Talk now finally has this phone, so pretty cool there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.